Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 856087. And before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the white covering here and here. You do want to peel that cover off before you install the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always attach the mount to the dash before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount has two little like C-shaped channels here. You can in the arms, you can see them at the top and the bottom. Now those are going to grip the vent surround here. And on the top, you need to be careful because we are not gripping this silver part. There's actually a seam underneath, and it's this black piece of the vent right under the silver part here that we're going to be gripping onto. So you're going to take the upper lip and we're going to insert that just so it's sitting underneath this black piece of the trim here. Like that. And you're going to hold it in place, and then we are going to push upward on the bottom arm just so we can get that bottom lip up and over the seam of the vent. Once it's in place, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.